How to download Yandex browser on your PC or laptop. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily download Yandex browser for your PC or laptop. So first thing, just head over to any of your favorite browser and just search in for Yandex browser download, just like this. So once you search for that particular keyword, you can see the first link, which is the official website of yandex.com. So just tap on this first website link over here and you will be redirected to this page. So to simply download it onto your device, just tap on this download button over here. Make sure you have checked this I agree button over here to accept their privacy policy, and based on your internet connection it will be automatically downloaded and you can simply install it from over here. So once it gets downloaded, you can simply touch this .exe file and just click on run to actually run the file and successfully install it on your device, just like this. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.